In 2013, I chose to part ways with the traditional practice of architecture. I was in search of something different. I left behind a salary and good friends. I left a job that supported my family, but one that left me creatively unfulfilled. And I stepped into nothing. No backlog of clients, no familial connections to funnel work my way, just a desire to make things. I did anything and everything I could to rediscover the things which led me to become an architect in the first place. Most of these experiments were failures, but the more things I made, the more this life began to look like what I was seeking, what I wanted. I've never stopped questioning what being an architect could look like. This channel has been perhaps the most rewarding creative experiment of all. It's allowed me to reinvent how I practice architecture. It's allowed me to become an educator, to look beyond my own selfish needs and to connect with others, to forge new friendships. And it's allowed me to consider the kind of impact I want to have in the world. So I wanted to offer my sincere thanks for your support, your comments, your likes and dislikes, your questions and messages. I've read them all, and I'm humbled for the chance to share my world with yours, if only for a minute or two, with gratitude. I can't thank you enough for choosing to hear from me whenever I upload something, for all your feedback, both positive and negative. I hope we can continue to build this community and share our knowledge freely and always remain students. You know, I never expected to receive this award. It really means a lot to me. Just to think about 100,000 people being interested in what I have to say is just kind of mind-blowing, actually. This channel has opened up creative doors for me that I didn't actually even know existed. It's allowed me to make dear lifelong friends. It's allowed me to meet people I never would have met otherwise. It's allowed me to talk with you. It's allowed me to discover filmmaking and photography and storytelling and editing and color grading, all these things. And none of that would have been possible without you. So I just can't thank you enough for everything, for supporting me and supporting this channel. It means so much to me.
Hi, this is Eric with 30by40.com, and I'm going to be starting a new series of product reviews.